So this video is the process of removing an E46 airbag. Your steering wheel might look a little different than this because this is the ZHP edition with the performance package, so it has an M3 wheel, but if you have an M3 it'll look like this. First step is always to disconnect the battery. There's a capacitor inside the airbag that could potentially cause it to deploy, so you always want to make sure that the battery is disconnected first. And after you've waited a little while, there are two spots on the sides of the steering wheel. You need to insert something to release spring tension. I found this tool seems to work the best. It's a long drill extension. So I've taken off the bag here, and just to illustrate what happens when you push in on the sides of the steering wheel, there's two springs on either side of the steering wheel that release these little catches on the back of the airbag module. And when you push these in, the airbag is released, and you can just actually use your fingers to kind of grab in here to pull it out. It's a little tight, but you almost have to push both springs in at the same time to release it. Otherwise it won't come out. So that's about it. Good luck.